apartment nearby.
Fox's Brian Yanis. No officers were charged in the death of Breonna Taylor. Only one has been charged with first-degree wanton endangerment charges for shooting into a neighbor's apartment. The video of a grandmother interrupting her granddaughter's Zoom class over a Black Lives Matter discussion has gone viral.
In the video posted on TikTok, the grandmother interrupts the lesson to argue with the teacher about Black Lives Matter.
You're talking about BLM and all that stuff, and we're not going to talk about it. Unless you want me to get what I have to say. Barack Obama was biracial, he wasn't just black. Right, he should have owned both sides of his family. Okay, that is true. You can get back to me. We're talking, this is language arts class, not a political class.
When the grandma asks why BLM is even being discussed, the teacher says, your granddaughter brought it up. Now, in a follow-up post, the granddaughter is heard screaming, I'm over it, just shut the F up, to which the teacher warns her to zip it because everything's being recorded and tells the girl, you don't really want to mess up here. The video, which was uploaded by @StayFlyest, has garnered over 1.7 million views so far. Ted Linder, Fox News.
NBA playoffs, the Miami Heat advancing to the NBA Finals to take on the LA Lakers. They beat the Boston Celtics 125-113 in Game 6 of the Eastern Conference Finals. I'm Paul Stevens, and this is Fox News.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
From fog through sunrise, hazy, mild, and muggy, lows mid-60s. Monday, a few morning spotty rain showers, then filtered sunshine, warm and humid, mid to upper 70s inland, low 70s along the coast. Hazy, mild, muggy, some fog, low to mid-60s Monday night. Tuesday, hazy, warm, and humid after morning fog, afternoon or nighttime rain showers, mid to upper 70s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist R.J. Hine on News Radio 920 and 104.